Hello everyone, it's Kevin from Retop LED. Today, let's talk about our SP series displays. These bad boys not only meet the highest industry requirements, but also have the UEFA certification, making them a perfect fit for the Champions League. They've already shown brightly in the top-tier venues like newer Red Bull FC in the US and the Nuremberg Football Club's home ground in Germany. Super durable. You got pixel-pitch option or P6.67 or P10. Cabinet size is 1280 by 960 mm. Module size 320 by 320 mm.
Standard rotating bracket included, with an optional 0 to 20 degree tilt dual bracket. With a 3840 Hz refresh rate, 5000 to 10,000 nits brightness, Blu-ray TV screens are history.
When problems come, just put the breaker to isolate the issue and keep other screen running well.
And the soft face shield with the rubber impact protection fully compliant with UEFA safety standards. It effectively shields athletes from collision injuries. Furthermore, the fold-down escape design is a mandatory UEFA feature, instantly deploying for rapid and secure evacuation. UV-resistant materials ensure brightness, color, and lifespan of the display, while a low-voltage DC power supply delivers a 10% energy saving compared to conventional screen. Product maintenance is a breeze, supporting front and rear access for effortless upkeep.
Normally, the last screen test is needed before the game starts. Even rookie can easily handle it. The cabinet performance can easily test by powering up the cabinet and press the test button. Super saving time, you know.
In addition, SP series comes standard with EMC-A certification, provides strong EMI protection for silky smooth operation.
Retop SP series make your vision brilliant. We are your global trusted LED solution integrator with 28 years of experience. If you like our SP series, please don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. I'm Kevin, catch you next time.